Today, the bribery case against embattled DC Councilmember Trayon White took another legal step. Prosecutors officially asked the judge to set a trial date just weeks after White claimed his innocence in court. Chief investigative reporter Eric Flack is here with the very latest. And Flack, today's news is a sign that prosecutors don't expect Trayon White to accept a plea deal in this case.
Yeah, you got it, Simone. It is very rare for federal prosecutors to file the paperwork to set a trial date if there are active negotiations for a plea bargain, and that just does not seem to be the situation here. In court documents filed this morning, prosecutors asked the judge to set a July 2025 trial date, that's next summer, for Ward 8 Councilmember Trayon White's bribery case. White was arrested in August and is accused of using his position to pressure government agencies to renew lucrative public safety contracts in exchange for cash and the promise of further kickbacks. White pleaded not guilty in federal court September 12th. He's maintained his innocence from the start. So this doesn't mean White's trial is officially set for July, though. His defense team now has the opportunity to file a response suggesting a different trial date, with the judge ultimately making the final decision on when this trial will begin. Simone?
I wanted to touch on this because agreeing on a trial date, it's one challenge, but another is going to be finding an impartial jury, considering the extensive news coverage the case has already received and how well known he is.
Yeah, and I mean, we've both been involved in it. And in this morning's court filing, prosecutors also asked the judge to summon a special jury panel, quote, due to the nature of the case and the publicity that it has received. Now, here's what a special jury panel is. It's convened when the court sends out questionnaires to potential jurors before trial, before really anybody shows up to court, allowing attorneys to agree on a jury beforehand. It's the same approach the courts took in a number of high-profile January 6th trial, including the first Oath Keeper trial.
Sure. Got to start with that impartial jury.
Yep.
Eric Flack for us tonight. Thank you.
All right.